Training is no longer optional. The companies that figure this out keep their best people, the ones that don't lose them to the ones that did. And yet, most training programs are stuck in 1995. One size fits all courses that ignore individual roles, travel costs that scale with your team, no way to measure if anyone actually learned anything, and disconnected from how careers actually grow. The result? Stalled employees, stalled performance, stalled retention. Here's what most leaders miss. Training and development aren't the same thing. Training is for the job someone has today. Development is for the job they will have tomorrow. You need both. Delivered like everything else in 2025. Personalized, mobile, measured. A modern LMS handles 5 types of programs. 1. Onboarding that gets new hires productive in weeks, not months. 2. Technical skills tied to the tools they actually use. 3. Leadership development for the next generation of managers. 4. Compliance training that updates itself when regulations change. 5. Diversity and inclusion programs that move beyond a once-a-year video. Add personalization, gamification, and real-time analytics, and training becomes a competitive advantage. If you train people, AI-powered learning is how you keep them. Book a free demo at paradisosolutions.com/elearning demo.